Get ready, start. The Allahabad High Court has observed that the transport of cow skin leather does not amount to any contravention of provisions of the UP Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act, 1955, and therefore, the magistrate has power under section 451 or 457 CRPC to release a vehicle by which allegedly skin leather of cow or its progeny was transported. Stop para. With this, the bench of Justice Muhammad Aslam set aside an order of the Special Chief Judicial Magistrate, Agra, rejecting the application filed by the revisionist seeking the release of his vehicle allegedly used to transport cow skin leather. Stop para. Essentially, the CJM Agra had reasoned that since the vehicle within bracket canter was seized under a special crime act bracket open cow slaughter act bracket close therefore it had no jurisdiction to release the same by exercising its power under sections 451 452 and 457 of Code of Criminal Procedure. Stop para. The CJM court had relied upon the ruling of the Allahabad High Court in the case of Yas Muhammad versus State of UP 2021 SCC online Allahabad 608, wherein it was held that a magistrate is denuded of his power to pass any order under sections 451, 452, and 457 CRPC for release of a vehicle seized for alleged violation of provisions of the UP Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act. Stop para. However, the High Court set aside the CJM's order by relying upon the High Court's ruling in the case of Muhammad Hanif versus State of UP and others, bracket open, criminal miscellaneous application number 20507 of 2008, bracket close, by holding that since the transportation of skin leather of cow isn't specifically prohibited under the Cow Slaughter Act or rule of Uttar Pradesh cow slaughter rules, therefore, the special magistrate, Agra, in fact, had the jurisdiction to decide the release of the vehicle in question. Stop para. It may be noted that in Muhammad Hanif case, relying upon the order passed by the High Court in Criminal Revision number 23 of 2005, it was held that the transportation of cow skin leather does not amount to any contravention of provisions of the Cow Slaughter Act. Stop para. Consequently, the court held that the magistrate can pass an order for the release of the vehicle as the act allegedly committed in this case doesn't fall under the category of an offence under the UP Cow Slaughter Act. Stop para. Double inverted comma open, the judicial magistrate has jurisdiction to release the Canter DL 1G C5909 as being the case property. Stop. The ruling of single bench of this court in Yas Muhammad versus State of UP within bracket Supra, on which learned lower court has relied and held that the lower court has no jurisdiction to release the canter in question, is not applicable in this case because in the aforesaid case the application for the release of vehicle was rejected on the ground that the cow or its progeny was transported in contravention of section 5A of Uttar Pradesh Cow Slaughter Act, regarding which special provisions were prescribed and only district magistrate / commissioner of the police was authorized to pass order for confiscation in the event of seizure of cow or its progeny and transport medium, double inverted comma close. Stop.